Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. We at Healwell Clinic have launched our first product today, and that is a home kit or a travel kit. It appears something like this. This home kit or travel kit consists of 10 homeopathic medicines along with a homeopathic cream. This can be customized for you and your family. The kit for adults and kids will be different. The main benefits for having this kit is that suppose you get fever on Sunday, or it's a bank holiday or some festival and you're not able to reach the clinic, so you don't have to panic. The medicines are already with you. You can just call us at Healwell Clinic and we will guide you which medicines you have to take and how you have to go about. So this kit contains about 10 homeopathic medicines. They appear something like this. There are 10 bottles along with one cream, and all of these medicines are numbered from 1 to 10. For example, this is bottle number 3 and this is bottle number 5. We also have a homeopathic cream. Now, which medicine you have to use when, for that you need to call us, you need to give us your symptoms in detail, and then we will tell you how many doses and how exactly you need to take the medicines. Now, another benefit for taking this medicine is that these medicines have got a long shelf life for about 3 to 4 years. Okay, so this is a long time investment that you are doing. So, and along with it, you're not only paying for the medicines, not only for the kit, but you don't have to pay us anything separate when you call us, which means there are no separate consultation charges taken from you. Okay, and you just have to keep these medicines away from sunlight and from moisture. You have to keep them away from perfume or strong smelling substances such as camphor. And in the long run, suppose you finish one or two bottles, so they can be refilled very easily by us at very nominal price. So you don't have to buy the entire kit again, you just have to refill that individual bottle of medicine. So I hope guys this is really exciting to you, because I was very excited to share this with you. And the price for this is 2500 only. So in 2500 you get a medical kit with consultation. So you get 10 medicines with consultation. The consultation can be n number of times, and the medicines are going to last you for around 3 to 4 years, guys. And as a special introductory offer, we are offering flat 500 rupees off, and only this is valid only for the first 5 customers. So do hurry up guys and book now. This offer is valid only till midnight of tomorrow. So don't waste your time guys, book your kit now. These kits can be couriered anywhere in India. So irrespective of wherever you are staying, we are just a call away. Just book this kit with us and start healing. Thank you.